Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Gordon Frayne. We are back with a price prediction update, this time for XRP Ripple. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below, hit that subscribe button as well, and if you want to get notified about similar videos, smash that bell notification icon, and don't forget to grab your completely free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It's linked down below this video in the description. Grab it now while it's free, and let's get into the content. So, Ripple has been on a rip for the past few weeks. We had all of the boomer tokens getting some very good price action over the course of November after the election results. Ripple, Cardano, HBAR, XLM, all making some nice moves in the month of November in particular. And after a very big move to the upside, if we measure this on a percentage basis, you know, from just before the election, November 6th, going from 50 cents all the way up to $2.87, a 462% gain for the price of Ripple in about a 27-day period. A pretty phenomenal return. Well done to you if you were holding Ripple during that period, and if you had been accumulating during all of this sideways action and you were patient to let that pay off for you, you're probably sitting pretty nice right now. We have since gone into this kind of period of consolidation here. Again, pretty natural for a move having been, you know, made such high returns over the course of 27 days. I think it's natural for us to see a little bit of consolidation here at the moment. Again, we are going to be giving you an updated price prediction in a couple of moments here, but we did also have news about Ripple launching their own stablecoin as well on their network for, you know, assisting with cross-border settlements and all the stuff that Ripple is doing. You know, even very recently, we saw Ripple flipping back over Solana in terms of overall market cap. Ripple now sitting at about 148 billion US dollars. Solana at about 110 billion. Again, will we see Solana flipping Ripple over the coming months? I think we might. Let's wait and see what happens. We are going to have a lot of price action between now and the end of 2025 across the entire market, and I think we will see a rising tide lifting all boats. Ripple making some very good moves, though, you know, possibly bolstered by the fact that we might be having some more favorable regulation with a new administration in office in the United States coming into 2025. So very exciting moves being made across the entire market, and Ripple, among others, making very, very bold moves over the past few weeks. If we jump into Ripple, again, we can see the price action over the past month, you know, being very, very positive. We're up 149% in the past month. In the past 7 days, we're up 23%. And in the past year, we're up about 319%. The vast majority of that happening here in the past few weeks with those most recent moves. So, in our price prediction, the last time we did give you some good, interesting numbers. We talked about Ripple getting up to, you know, close to $5 in a bull case. I do think we can go a little bit higher than that, and that is why we are revising our price prediction here on the channel, guys. You know, say what you want about Ripple. You know, I haven't always been the biggest fan of Ripple, but it has been a stalwart in the crypto space, and it's still a top 3 cryptocurrency, having been here for 7 to 8 years. So, you know, despite all of the stuff going on, you know, I try to remain as impartial as possible when I'm analyzing these tokens and projects. You know, credit where credit's due, and Ripple has managed to be here and has stayed the course with the likes of Bitcoin and Ethereum all the way since 2017. So again, that does not mean it's going to be here forever, but let's see what happens with the, you know, the regulatory side of things over the next year. And I do think the prices will be moving up ever so slightly from where we're at today. So as always, we're going to give you an updated bear case, base case, and bull case price target scenario. We do have to plug in certain variables into each of these price predictions, guys. So we are making educated guesses as to where we think the total crypto market cap can get to, and where we think the dominance level of XRP Ripple can get to. Also, a very quick note on the dominance level. The dominance chart for Ripple is looking very similar to its price action chart. Its dominance shooting up here over the past month or so. Again, you can see dominance for Ripple was sitting at only 1.22% at the very beginning of November. We shot all the way up as high as 4.69%, and now we've pulled back to about 4.07%, where we're sitting at today. So again, I'm likely, or I'm thinking that we're likely to see a little bit more consolidation before moving higher, but this does bode pretty well for, Ripple's price action as well. We have seen similar jumps up like this in the past, here in July 2023, when we saw, positive news sentiment on the case between Ripple and the SEC back in July of 2023. We saw a big spike up in that market cap dominance before coming all the way back down again. So again, we do need to see what's going to happen and what's going to play out. We could see this dominance continue to come to the downside before moving higher. I don't know just yet. Let's wait and see what happens. But for our price prediction equation, the market cap dominance is one of the variables that we need to plug in here. So in a bear case, what we're saying is the total crypto market cap could peak up around 4 trillion US dollars. If XRP can get all the way up to a 6% dominance level by the peak of the cycle, that would give us a $240 billion market cap for Ripple by its peak, and then dividing that by about 58 billion Ripple tokens in circulation by Q4 of next year would bring us out to just over a $4 price target, $4.13, compared to today's prices of around $2.60. In our base case scenario, what we're saying is the total crypto market cap could peak closer to around 6 trillion US dollars. If XRP can get all the way up to a 7% market cap dominance versus the rest of the market, that would give us a $420 billion overall market cap for Ripple. And again, dividing that by 58 billion Ripple XRP tokens in circulation would bring us out to a $7.24 price target in a base case scenario. And finally, in our most bullish case scenario, what we're saying is the total crypto market cap could peak up higher, somewhere close to around 8 trillion US dollars. If XRP can get up to a 7.5% dominance level, that would give us a total market cap for XRP Ripple around 600 billion US dollars, and once again dividing that by 58 billion XRP tokens in circulation by around Q4 of 2025 brings us to a $10.34 price target in our most bullish case scenario. So drop me a comment below, guys. Do you agree? Do you disagree with where these prices for Ripple are heading? Again, try to use your best logic here in terms of Ripple's market cap dominance, the amount of tokens in circulation, the overall size of the crypto market when you're making your own judgments about where you think the price of Ripple can get to. Drop me a comment below though. I want to know, are you holding Ripple in your bull run bag, and where do you think the price of Ripple is going to? Drop a comment below this video, let me know, and we'll see what the sentiment tells us. As always, guys, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button. Just before we go, I do want to mention one more thing. We do have Femex, the sponsor of today's video. Femex, the most efficient crypto trading and investment platform. And of course, XRP Ripple is available for trading over on Femex. You can search it very easily. Multiple different markets for Ripple against USDT and against USDC. Femex do have a whole bunch of incentivizations here for you to join their exchange. Tons of rewards that you can earn simply for depositing capital and making trades and buying these assets that you might be buying. Anyway, I will leave a referral link below this video in the description. Check it out if you want. Head over to Femex, get some of those incentives, get some of those bonuses. You may as well get them just for putting your hard-earned money to work in these crypto assets. Of course, this is not financial advice, guys. Do your own research. But as I said, as always, if you enjoy the content, please smash that like button below the video. It really helps with the algorithm. We're trying to spread the good word. Make sure you subscribe. We're on the road to our first 10,000 subscribers. Smash that bell notification icon if you want to get notified about similar videos. And once again, completely free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It's linked below this video in the description as well. Grab it now while it's free, and we'll catch you in the next one.